Some time ago I broke my wrist and it was painful, very painful. But after not really doing the things which I heard to help me with pain, all I wanted to do was cry, I applied some of the things that I learned to help with the healing. And this comes from when I went to the NLP conference and I saw some people who did some incredible good work about healing your body. So if anybody's watching this video and there's something that they wish to heal in their life, when you talk about, say, my wrist, I'm going to use that for example, instead of being my broken wrist, it became my healing wrist. And I got my friends and my family, instead of saying, how's your broken wrist, to actually say to me, how's your healing wrist? So redefine it, reframe it, the way you use those words. And who knows, just by doing that, may make the healing process just that bit quicker.